Ever felt like you're herding clouds when designing multi cloud architectures? Provider lock in nightmares, data sovereignty puzzles, and cost spirals eating your budget alive? The multi cloud strategy pack gives you provider agnostic abstraction frameworks like Terraform Cloud Workspaces, automated failover patterns using Kubernetes Federation, jurisdiction aware data placement with Azure policy guardrails, and AWS Cost Explorer plus Azure total cost of ownership comparison modeling. This isn't just cloud walking, it's cloud juggling with safety nets. For cloud architects, DevOps engineers, solutions engineers, and tech leads battling hybrid environments, say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to strategic mastery. Your Kubernetes clusters will thank you. Here's what's inside the multi cloud strategy pack: Provider Abstraction Labs with HashiCorp Boundary Implementation, cross cloud failover simulations using AWS Multi AZ plus Azure Availability Zones, data residency compliance with GDPR/CCPA template frameworks, cost comparison modeling integrating AWS cost anomaly detection and Azure cost management. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From abstraction layer implementation to real time cost optimization, we've got your multi cloud journey mapped from deployment to decommissioning. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cloud complexity, with training wheels for your team. Installing the multi cloud strategy pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add multi cloud strategy pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: abstraction layer blueprints, failover simulation scenarios, compliance frameworks, and cost modeling tools. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands AWS CloudFormation, Ender Azure ARM template translation, detects sovereignty gaps in CI/CD pipelines, and optimizes costs across regions. It even teaches your laptop to fear vendor lock-in. Don't worry, we'll find it a therapist.